Have you ever wondered which countries truly drive the engines of our global economy? In a world where technology advances at breakneck speed and competition between nations grows fiercer by the day, the race to become an industrial superpower has never been more intense. Imagine the factories humming with robotic precision, the innovation labs where tomorrow's inventions are born, and the sprawling networks of trade and infrastructure that connect continents. But which countries stand at the very heart of this industrial revolution in 2025? Stay tuned, because as we count down the top 5 industrial powers in the world, you might be surprised at who makes the list and who doesn't. Let's dive in, starting with number 5 on our list. At this spot, we find Germany. Known for its engineering prowess and relentless focus on quality, Germany has long been a powerhouse in industries such as automotive, chemicals, and machinery. The country's commitment to precision manufacturing has made its products highly sought after around the globe. In 2025, Germany maintains its reputation for innovation, especially in the fields of green technology and advanced robotics. With a robust network of small and medium-sized enterprises, known as the Mittelstand, Germany's economy thrives on adaptability and technological advancement. But do you think Germany can maintain its position in the face of rising competition from emerging economies? Let us know in the comments and share which German innovation impresses you the most. Moving up to number 4, we encounter South Korea. This nation has transformed itself from a war-torn country into one of the world's most dynamic industrial giants. Renowned for its strength in electronics, shipbuilding, and automotive industries, South Korea's companies, like Samsung, Hyundai, and LG, are household names across the globe. In 2025, South Korea continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, investing heavily in artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and next-generation semiconductors. Its government's focus on research and education keeps the workforce highly skilled and ready to adapt to new challenges. Here's a question for you. With the rapid pace of technological change, could South Korea climb even higher in the rankings in the coming years? Drop your thoughts below and tell us which South Korean innovation you find the most groundbreaking. Now let's reveal the country holding the 3rd position, Japan. Despite facing demographic challenges and intense regional competition, Japan remains a leader in industrial output. Japanese companies are at the forefront of robotics, automotive engineering, and electronic equipment. The country's culture of continuous improvement, known as Kaizen, drives efficiency and innovation across its industries. In 2025, Japan is not only maintaining its dominance in traditional sectors, but also charting new territory in fields like renewable energy, quantum computing, and advanced materials. Japan's resilience in the face of adversity is legendary. Think about how it bounced back from economic stagnation and natural disasters to remain a key player on the global stage. What do you think is the secret behind Japan's enduring industrial strength? Share your perspective in the comments. We're curious to hear your insights. As we approach the top of our list, the competition heats up. In 2nd place, we have the United States of America. Often described as the land of opportunity, the U.S. has a long history of leading the world in industrial innovation. Home to Silicon Valley, Detroit's revitalized automotive sector, and a vast network of advanced manufacturing, the United States continues to set the standard for technological progress. In 2025, the U.S. is a global leader in aerospace, pharmaceuticals, and information technology. Its ability to attract top talent from around the world, combined with a culture that encourages risk-taking and entrepreneurship, keeps American industry at the cutting edge. The government's investments in infrastructure and clean energy are shaping the future of manufacturing. But with rising competition from other nations, can the U.S. maintain its edge in the industrial race? Tell us what you think. Is American innovation still unmatched, or is a new challenger on the horizon? And finally, at number 1, the undisputed industrial titan of 2025, China. Over the past few decades, China has undergone an extraordinary transformation. Once known primarily for low-cost manufacturing, China has rapidly moved up the value chain, becoming a leader in high-tech industries, green energy, and artificial intelligence. The country's ambitious Made in China 2025 initiative has driven massive investments in robotics, aerospace, and semiconductors. In 2025, China dominates global supply chains, with vast industrial cities like Shenzhen and Shanghai setting the pace for innovation and productivity. The Chinese government's strategic planning and support for key sectors have enabled the country to leapfrog competitors and become the world's largest manufacturer. But with great power comes great responsibility. How will China's rise impact the rest of the world? Will it inspire more collaboration or fuel further competition? We'd love to hear your predictions. Share them in the comments below. As we've seen, the race to become an industrial superpower is more dynamic than ever. Each of these countries brings its own unique strengths, challenges, and ambitions to the table. Germany's engineering excellence, South Korea's technological agility, Japan's culture of innovation, America's entrepreneurial spirit, and China's sheer scale and drive. Together, they are shaping the future of our world. But remember, the landscape can shift quickly. New technologies, unexpected events, or bold policy decisions could reshape the rankings overnight. That's what makes following the world of industry so exciting. There's always something new around the corner. Now, we want to hear from you. Which country do you think could break into the top 5 in the coming years? Are there emerging economies that could challenge the current giants? And what kind of innovations do you believe will define the next era of industrial power? Leave your thoughts and predictions in the comments. We read every single one and love to see your perspectives. If you enjoyed this countdown and want to stay updated on the latest trends shaping our world, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring you more fascinating insights into the forces that shape our lives. And don't forget, join the conversation by leaving your comment below. Who knows, your idea might just spark the next big discussion. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world's wonders with us.